Morning po. Si Meng po ulit, usapang type 2 diabetes. This week, mag-experiment po tayo sa coffee. So for today, Sanmig coffee po. Most of the time, ito po yung iniinom ko. So, bago ko siya itimpla, magkukuha muna ako ng blood sugar. It's 8:05 a.m. I think naka 7 hours of sleep po ako, so I think magandang fasting na po yun. Yan, so sakto po, 8:06 a.m. 100 po yung blood sugar for today. So, timplahin na po natin si Sanmig coffee. So, according to my endocrinologist, after an hour, kailangan po nating i-check ulit yung blood sugar to see yung spike. Tapos after 2 hours, check po ulit ng blood sugar. So, dapat po after 2 hours, nagsisimula nang bumaba yung blood sugar. And bilin din niya, as much as possible, hindi tataas ng 140 yung blood sugar mo after drinking or after eating. So, after kung inumin lahat, babalik na lang po ako after an hour, and then after 2 hours, tapos I'll take the blood sugar. So yun, tinignan ko yung video kanina, hindi po masyado nakita yung reading, so hopefully malinaw na sa video. Ayan, 100 yung reading ng blood sugar kanina. Yun, so naka 1 hour na po, no? So kuha po tayo ulit ng blood sugar and see kung ilang units po yung spike after drinking Sanmig coffee sugar-free. Yan, sana malinaw sa video. $108. So halos wala po siyang effect. So a cup of Sanmig coffee in the morning, 8 units lang po yung tinaas ng blood sugar natin. So babalik po ulit ako after an hour. So 2 hours na po yun after kung inumin yung coffee. Kukuha po ulit tayo ng blood sugar. Sakit na yung daliri ko. Yan, so hopefully malinaw po ulit sa video. Yun. So 104 sorry, 104 po yung reading, no? So we started with 100, tapos after an hour of drinking Sanmig coffee na sugar-free, nag 108, tapos after an hour, which is total of 2 hours na after drinking, 104. So conclusion po natin, wala po siyang effect sa blood sugar. Super minimal. So pwede po siyang inumin ng mga type 2 diabetic persons.